Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make traditional vegetables or mboga za kienyeji. So guys, this is the simplest recipe ever and you can follow it easily. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my kienyeji vegetables. They are looking very nice and fresh. So this is mito. Mito is called slender leaf in English. Mito is a Kenyan name. This mito is rich in vitamin A, B and C among others. Then next I have MRENDA. MRENDA is called jute mallow in English. It's also rich in nutrients like iron, calcium and proteins among others. You can Google and see the benefits. And lastly I have kunde. Kunde is called cowpea leaves. Cowpea leaves are rich in source of protein and calcium among others. So next I'm going to start by plucking the leaves from the stalk. So next I'm going to give them a thorough wash to remove all the dirt from the vegetables. After washing them, I'm going to remove them from the water and then next I'm going to chop them. Next I'm going to bring them to boil using a little salt and bicarbonate of soda. So the reason why I'm adding the bicarbonate of soda is to tenderize the vegetables but it's optional. My MRENDA is ready, and you can notice it's a bit slimy. So next I'm just going to drain the water from the vegetables. So in my cooking pot, I'm going to add some onions. As you can see, I've already chopped them, and I also have milk, which I'm going to add later. So I'm going to start with the onions and cooking oil. Next, I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to add some seasoning, that is Rico cube, to add some flavor into my MRENDA, and lastly salt. For the seasoning is completely optional. You can just add salt and leave it like that. So after my tomatoes are ready, I'm just going to add the vegetables. Then lastly, I'm going to add milk, and then I'm going to mix and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Guys, I'm already salivating. I can't wait to dig in with my ugali. I'm already salivating. Look at that. It looks so yummy. Can't wait to dig in. So my MRENDA is ready, guys. So I'm going to serve it with some ugali or pap. So this is it, guys. As simple as that. So it's not a must to eat meat every day or eggs. Just try this recipe and you're gonna love it, guys. So this is how we eat ugali and MRENDA. You make a hole in between there, then you scoop. Is it scooping? I don't know how to call it. just do the way I'm doing, yeah, like that. And I'm telling you guys, this food is so yummy, and very healthy. This food is very healthy. It's not a must you eat meat every day. You can just make this vegetable and you enjoy your meal. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye bye.